finger. Papa finger.
Ali, where are we going?
Are we going firework shop? And I'm excited to tell my friend. Let's go and see it. Hey guys, we are back to firework shop. Look.
Yeah.
Which one do I want?
Which one, Alia?
Can you find a princess
So
one?
one for the pack, or 4 packets of 5. I think there's 4 in
I'm
it.
asking to
Yeah.
Can you see more fireworks over there?
4 for the 5.
I love this one, Bright
Yeah,
Star.
I'm doing fireworks. So.
Where's Bright Star? Here, I want this. Papa, can I have this?
What is this? Apne se bade
I want to have Elsa one, Spider-Man one. I want this one.
Asan, this is bigger than you.
Mama, can I have this one? It's not
You need
that.
your, this is your size, I think.
The Elsa one.
This is very big.
Elsa one. Do I want to have Elsa one? Elsa one. This is an Elsa.
Okay, we asked men which one is the kids one, na?
Can I have Elsa on? Elsa. Can I take my mask off?
You want to have a look at what we've got? There's 300 shots all over. There's 300 shots screaming. Just screaming. Yeah, but the 300 shots.
That's your son.
Why? यहाँ पे भी लड़ाई.
This one. Papa, I want this one. Mama, the Halloween one.
Which one is the Halloween one?
No, this one. It's a tiny.
Okay, we asked Papa what is this.
It's a tiny one. It's Halloween. Mama, it's Halloween. Mama, it's Halloween. Mama.
Emma, what is this?
Can I hold this one? Can I hold this one? I'm just talking.
Okay, Papa, what is this?
What's this thing?
Spooky Halloween.
We haven't got them ones, so they're basically big rockets, but they're the very loud ones there. It's quite expensive, £35. You get 5 in there, but they're very
Asan,
loud.
this is very
This for
loud.
big one. This is a loud
It's for
one.
big
now.
boys, not for you.
If you want the smaller ones, you get 7 packets for £5.
And how does it go? So we have.
So you put, orange stick, you put the orange stick in the ground, in the mud, a little bit, and then you put the rocket inside it, you light it, and you shoot something.
How much is it?
£5.
Emma, उसको सिर्फ वो चाहिए था जिस पे Halloween बनी हो. So I don't think so he wanted.
No, we can still have that. So we have this.
Mama,
जो बच्चों के बस वही लेना, ज़्यादा कुछ कैरी चीज़ भी नहीं लेना. No.
I think we're going
No. You can't have it. किसके पास क्या है?
No holding, man go to chow.
Hold it like
ये
this.
है, 4 ही हैं और एक वो है.
4. Did you give it 4 or 5? 2 hours. Did you give it 4?
You get 4 for 5.
Yeah.
You want to say something, Alia? What do you have?
I got tired. I hope you join the firework shop.
Are you happy? Excited?
I'm opening some fireworks. Look at this one.
Don't touch it, Alia. Be careful.
Look at this one. And look at this one.
इधर आओ Alia, 1 minute. What happened, Asan?
But the man says for big.
Guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on my channel, please do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for my next video. Here we just shop for Bonfire night and kids are very excited for the fireworks. They were very excited, but in the end Alia was alright, but
Can you
Asad
say
and
full
Asan
jadiyan?
was
But
just the
first,
chicken because
no,
they
it's
were really
like
scared.
Julie.
No, Julie, it's called full jadiyan.
Full Julia. And then his first name is
Full jadiyan.
Firework.
No, full jadiyan.
Full Julia. But his other one is Fireworks. but it's sparkle fireworks.
Your mom used to love. It's called matches bomb.
It is March's bum, but this is March's bum. This one is March's bum.
This is not. This is very big matches bomb. Then Alia.
I like that. And we got
Alia, how do we say pulchadiyan?
food jelly bean.
Matches bomb.
And sparklers, but
And chuha.
you have papa.
And what? It used to be one more. It's called chicher.
Chicha papa.
Chicher.
Chicha mama.
And you? Can you say pulchadiyan? Pulchadiyan. क्या हो गया मेरी पुलझड़ी को?
He won the rocket one.
Can you say it now?
I already said.
One more time.
Alia, can we do this one for tomorrow?
Miss Alia excited?
That one.
Alia, can we say pulchadiyan again?
I'm happy with this one. So it's very speedy. I love that. Dad, Mama, we don't have a garden to stick it.
It's okay. When Papa come back after Namas, then we do it. Okay, Alia?
Bambala. I don't want. Off you go, Leslie. Firework!
Are you excited, kids?
We've got two, but we missed the other one. But I don't like it.
Why?
I'm gonna go bad. What happened? Can I have mine?
It's a matchbox.
And you can't have two. You only have one. You can't make sparkler.
No?
No.
Okay.
We only have one.
अच्छा.
Anyway.
Okay, बड़े अब्बा.
Anyway, we got.
क्या हुआ है? आप क्या कर रहे हो? Essen is a firework. Look this firework now, kids. Boom. Did it boom boom? Is this a naughty firework?
Fireworks go away.
Stand ready. This is the next day and we come to the park to do the rest of fireworks because kid was scared night time. Alia was alright, just Asad and Essen. So we come in the morning because they're not gonna come to the park in the night time either. We don't want to keep them fireworks at home for a long time. So we don't want to throw in the bin either. So we just do it in the morning and they don't want to go even near to it. So Emma just trying to waste them all of it. So then we go home. That's it. Papa.
Because I thought if he hurt himself.
No, Allah Ta'ala not hurt. Papa just doing a firework on the sky and Allah Ta'ala is upper than the sky. He's even more up. So he can't be hurt.
Really?
Yeah, he'll be fine.
He's on the cloud.
He's upper than cloud.
Then why I can't see her?
You can't see Allah
Is
Ta'ala.
it a girl or boy?
I don't know. What do you think, Alia?
I think it's a girl.
आलिया को ये समझ नहीं आ रही कि अल्लाह ताला लड़की है कि लड़का है आलिया I don't know आलिया
I'm tired. Mama.